Welcome to another Ziva Math video. In this video, we're going to learn how to multiply whole numbers. We're specifically going to focus on how to multiply a 3-digit number by a 2-digit number. Let's take a look at our examples. In this example, we have 371 times 48, and our first step is going to be to multiply the 371 times 8. And we'll do this one step at a time, starting in the ones place with 8 times 1. 8 times 1 is 8. Then I'll multiply 8 by the number in the tens place, the 7. 8 times 7 is 56, so I'll place the 6 and carry the 5. Now I'll need to multiply 8 times the number in the hundreds place. 8 times 3. 8 times 3 is 24, then I'll need to add the 5 we just carried. 24 plus 5 is 29. Now I've used the 8, so I'll cross it out. I've used the 5, I'll also cross it out. And then I need to place a 0 because the next thing that I'm multiplying by is going to be the 4. But the 4 is not 4, it actually represents 40. And we take that into account when we place the 0. Now we're going to be multiplying the 4 times the number in the ones place in the 371. So 4 times 1. And 4 times 1 is 4. Then we'll multiply the 4 by the number in the tens place, the 7. 4 times 7 is 28. So we'll place the 8 and we carry the 2. Notice when we carry the 2, we place it over the next number we're going to be multiplying by because we'll be multiplying in the hundreds place next. So we have 4 times 3 is 12 plus the 2 that we just carried. 12 plus 2 is 14. Now we're ready to add. And notice how I've kept all of my numbers lined up, so when I go to add, my addition is a little bit easier because everything is in the right place. So we have 8 plus 0 is 8. 6 plus 4 is 10. And notice when I carry my 1, I'm putting it above the 9. I'm staying in the addition portion of my problem. 9 plus 1 is 10, plus 8 more is 18. And I'll carry a 1 here as well. 4 plus 2 is 6, plus 1 more is 7. And 1 plus 0 is 1. So my product is 17,808. In this problem, we have 965 multiplied by 62, and we'll start by multiplying 965 times 2. And our steps are to start in the ones place with 2 times 5. 2 times 5 is 10, so I'll place the 0 and regroup with the 1. Notice I'm placing the 1 above the 6, above the number in the tens place, because that's what I'll be multiplying by next. And I will be at 2 times 6, which is 12, plus the 1 that I just regrouped, which is 13. So I place the 3, I regroup with the 1, placing it above the hundreds place this time, because that's what I'll be multiplying by next. And I'm looking at 2 times 9. So 2 times the number in the hundreds place. 2 times 9 is 18, plus the 1 I just regrouped. 18 plus 1 is 19. Now, I have multiplied by the 2, so I will cross it out. I've used the ones that I regrouped with. I will cross those out as well. And I'm going to place a 0. The next number I'm multiplying by is a 6, but the 6 isn't really 6, it represents 60, and I take that into account when I place that 0. So now I'm at 6 times 5. I go back to the ones place to start my multiplication steps. 6 times 5 is 30. So I place the 0, I regroup, placing that 3 above the tens place because that's the number I'll be multiplying by next. So I have 6 times 6 is 36 plus the 3 that I regrouped. 36 plus 3 is 39. So placing the 9, regrouping with the 3, placing this 3 above the hundreds place because my next step is to be multiplying by the hundreds place. 6 times 9. 6 times 9 is 54 plus the 3 I just regrouped. 54 plus 3 is 57. And now I'm ready to add. And if you've kept your digits lined up in the addition portion of the problem, it's much easier to add accurately. So we have 0 plus 0 is 0. 3 plus 0 is 3. 9 plus 9 is 18. And when I regroup, notice I'm placing the 1 in the addition portion of my multiplication problem. So I will have 7 plus 1 is 9. And 5 plus 0 is 5, for a product of 59,830. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to Ziva Math for more videos.